Right, so at 178,429 miles, what we got to do today? Well, we got to fix that door. We're going to replace both brake pipes from front going to the back caliper. We're going to this side caliper has got the dodgy piston in it, so we need to replace that piston. We're going to flush all the brake lines, put new brake fluid in, and what else have we got to do? Yeah, so we've got to replace the piston, fix the door handle. Oh yeah, we're going to do an oil and filter change as well.
I'll get you a satanic mechanic.
Now, as you can see, that is what the fuel computer is saying that the engine is doing at the moment. I'm not too sure why it's saying that it's doing more than 61 to the gallon, but I would say that probably equates to about 55 to the gallon. Anyway, so there's the intro open. What we're going to do next is that we're going to drive down and we're going to pick up one or two bits from the supermarket, and then we're going to go down to the workshop and get this thing up on the lift and get it in the air. Screw that. No. So that's what it is. Right, let's get the screws on the floor. There we go. This just pop out. And then need to undo these. It's not brutal then, actually is. Right, and then we've got a couple of screws in there. Oh, that one. I'm just wondering if I take that off or not. I probably will have to. Really? Just across it? Oh, there we go. Now, this is more brutal. Isn't as brutal as it sounds, but it's got a little clip that goes in there. Right, now, that should come off. Next thing to do is disconnect the switch. So, as you can see, I'm not too sure why. As much as it is. Just gently pull. Now, of course, I think we've got a lot to get through. Hoping I can kind of stick that there. Keep it out the way. Now. Right, Okay, and then it's a Torx bit. There we go. Right, and then what that does is right. Okay. I'm not convinced I can get that thing out. See, the last thing I want to do is lose that down in the bowels of the bloody door frame somewhere. Right, so now with that off, I can pull that out, which means that I can now get to this. Right, which is proving hardest. Whoops. With that done, all I need to do is push that back in. No, I need the light. There. Right. So, as you can see, that has moved over. So now, if I push that back in, and then do that, there we go. And then, this little bit of trim. Right, so you pull the door handle out, push that in, and there we go. It's on. Well, I'm struggling a bit here because I don't have the right size bit. However, right, so the card's all back together. There we go. Still gonna have a bit of residue in there, but it don't matter. goes. It's all nice and tight. Let's have a look. Right. So that needs to come out. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. I'm going to have to switch camera. Oh. Hang on. Yeah. So that needs to come out to there. So the rest of it seems fine. The rusty bit is to there. So if I cut off here, if I cut off there, then I should be able to get 2 new connectors on and take all this bit of pipe out. I think they just unscrew. Oh well. Right. So need a 14 to crack that off. This needs to come out as well. So got everything that we need. Right, so first of all we're gonna crack that off. There we go. There's that cracked off. And then I need to crack that off. Now what should be happening is that hoping you can see this, which I don't think you can, but I've just undone the I've just undone that. Oh. As you can see, we're all ready to string that new cable. So first thing to do is get some copper grease on the back of this. Because then that will help stop that reacting. Okay. If we push that into there like so. Just using the 12 just to start it off. Right, now start using the key. And then there it goes. That should be tight enough. We'll do a bit more copper grease. Just force it round there. Right. Don't make the mistake that way. Because I cut both these pipes off without realising which one was which. Left, right. first thing I need to do is do that. Leave that in there. That should do it. Put that on there. Unclamp those. There we go. There's one done. Then back it in. Yeah. Right, so first thing, cut this off.